In this tutorial, we're looking at how you can have your data from a Weavely form be sent on over to Airtable. So we have our contact form right here, our sarcastic example contact form. Head on over to integrations and you'll see Airtable right here. So obviously you will want to click the big plus button. If you haven't connected yet, this is a screen that you'll see. So essentially connecting Weavely to Airtable through single sign-on. So press connect. I've already signed into Airtable, so if you're not signed in, it'll first ask you to sign into Airtable. You can then select which resources that you want Weavely to have access to. In this tutorial, we're just going to give us access to a specific base, namely contacts. It's a contact form. Grant access, and there we are. So that connection is set up. We can now actually create the integration. So select your accounts, select the database. There's only one for now, so that's pretty easy. And then you'll be able to select your table within that database and how each field of your Weavely form on the left side maps onto specific columns of that table. So it's pretty obvious. We have first name mapping into first name. We have our last name going to our last name, and then we'll add email as a final one is here and add that to the email field. So we can do others, but you get the drift. It's essentially always the same thing. Press create integration, and we can go ahead and upload or load in our form. Let's first actually look into Airtable. So this is the base that we're going to populate. There's no data here for the moment. Load in the form so that we can create a new row. I'll just type in my name, my last name, and my email address right here. It's actually already here in the suggestion. Press submit, and then you'll see that data pop in to Airtable the way we set it up in the integration in Weavely. It's that simple.